Did the corona outbreak actually begin because people ate bad soup? Will the virus die in this summer? Was this virus actually created in a Chinese laboratory? Can masks actually prevent corona? How can we know that we have corona by sitting at home? Hello everyone, I am Shreya. So आज हम बात करेंगे regarding certain myths about corona that is prevalent among the masses and what is the actual truth.
Do it!
जो भी फैक्ट्स इस वीडियो में मेंशन किया गया है that is all based on the reports by WHO and all these informations have been shown in this video. Myth number 1. The virus originated in a laboratory in China and the outbreak actually began because people ate bad soup. Despite the internet rumors, let me tell you that there is no proper evidence that suggests that the virus was actually created in a laboratory. In fact, study reveals that it is a product of natural evolution. And our idea that the eating of a bat actually caused corona was actually because of an internet video which went viral showing that a Chinese woman held an entire bat with chopsticks in her hand. But the video in question was not actually shot in China.
Woman in the video,
Who news outlets have identified as Wang Mengyong, is a host of an online travel show who was actually eating a dish in Palau, an island country located in Western Pacific Ocean. And in fact, the video was shot in 2016, much before the outbreak of corona had begun in Wuhan. Myth number 2. The virus will eradicate as soon as summer approaches.
according to WHO,
कोविड गर्मियों के वेदर में भी ट्रांसमिट हो सकता है. That is, COVID can actually be transmitted in any weather. There is no proof that this summer can actually eradicate the virus. In fact,
WHO says
exposing ourselves to extremes of temperature will not prevent the
COVID.
Who even says that taking a hot bath even won't help? Because even though the external or the surrounding temperature changes here, but the internal body temperature stays the normal, that is 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. So this again brings back to the well-known fact that in order to prevent COVID, 1 meter of distance, at least 1 meter of distance is very important for us to maintain, rather than believing on myths of exposing ourselves to extremes of temperature. Myth number 3. Many people say that if we are able to hold our breath for at least 1 minute, it will suggest that we are okay and we don't have the virus. But owing to the true fact, all our physiologies are different. Even if I don't have COVID, it is not necessary that I will be able to hold my breath for 1 minute. Who mentions a 10-second breath holding rule, but who also says that if you are able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more, it does not confirm that you do not have COVID. तो सवाल ये उठता है कि घर बैठे हम लोग कैसे पता करें कि हमें कोविड है कि नहीं. डॉक्टर्स रिकमेंड अ 6-minute वॉक रूल, जहाँ पे पेशेंट को 6 मिनट के लिए एक जगह पे चलना होता है और 6 मिनट के बाद उनके ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स को चेक किया जाता है. अगर 6 मिनट के बाद उनका ऑक्सीजन डिप 6 to 8% से ज़्यादा आता है, दैट मीन्स कि लंग इन्वॉल्वमेंट शुरू हो गया है एंड दैट पर्सन इज एक्चुअली अफेक्टेड. This is quite an authentic test and the device by which we measure the blood oxygen level is actually called pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter is a normal device which measures our blood oxygen levels. The normal oxygen level varies somewhat between 95 to 97% and if it goes below 95% then you might have a danger. In this case it is always advisable to approach a doctor. Myth number 4. Washing your produce like the fruits in a soap water or disinfectant water or in water containing vinegar in order to kill the virus if any present on the fruit. Some people are washing fruits and vegetables using salt water or water with vinegar. But if reports are to be believed, these methods of washing are not considered to be more effective than washing in plain water. There are many such videos जहाँ पे fruits और vegetables को soap water से wash किया जाता है. And the explanation that people give to this are human skin और fruit skin almost similar है. तो अगर हम human skin को soap water से wash कर सकते हैं, तो fruit skin को क्यों नहीं कर सकते? But on the contrast, the reality is something different. Human skin का जो outermost layer होता है, that is made up of epidermis. और epidermis का cells जो होता है, that undergoes various layers of hardening and keratinization, which actually protects our body. But fruit के केस में क्या होता है कि their skin is very porous. And those salt water or disinfectant water actually gets absorbed in the food. So whenever we eat those fruits or vegetables which have been washed in this kind of disinfectant water or soap water, तो ultimately क्या होता है कि we end up eating or ingesting those harmful chemicals. Reports say that salt, baking soda, potassium permanganate या कोई type of disinfectant, ये सारी चीजें फूड या वेजिटेबल के सरफेस से पेस्टिसाइड को डेफिनेटली रिमूव कर सकता है, लेकिन ये चीजें कभी भी कोविड-19 वायरस को किल नहीं कर सकता, even if they are present on our foods and vegetables. Myth number 5: thermal scanners can diagnose coronavirus. थर्मल स्कैनर्स ये तो डिटेक्ट कर सकता है कि हमारा टेम्परेचर क्या है और उससे ये भी पता लग सकता है कि हम लोग को फीवर है कि नहीं, लेकिन फीवर होने से ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है कि हमें कोविड ही हुआ है. फीवर कैन बी ड्यू टू वेरियस रीजंस. कंडीशंस लाइक कॉमन फ्लू आल्सो कैन कॉज फीवर. इन एडिशन, कोविड-19 के जो सिम्टम्स है वो इन्फेक्ट होने के 2 से 14 दिन बाद ही दिखाना शुरू करता है. तो अगर कोई इंसान का टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल भी आता है थर्मल स्कैनर्स से, तो वी कांट रियली से कि दैट पर्सन इज नॉट इन्फेक्टेड, बिकॉज इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि वो पर्सन ऑलरेडी इन्फेक्ट हो चुका है लेकिन उसमें सिम्टम्स आना बाकी है. तो हम यही कह सकते हैं कि जो लोग या फिर जो स्टोर्स थर्मल स्कैनर्स के यूज करते हैं बिफोर लेटिंग पीपल एंटर.
Nice.
लेकिन अगर आप पूछोगे कि थर्मल स्कैनर से डिटेक्ट होने के बाद क्या हम श्योर हो सकते हैं कि हमें कोविड नहीं है, then probably the answer is
No.
No, no, no.
WHO clearly says
thermal scanners cannot detect COVID-19. Myth number 6: following home remedies or adding pepper, garlic to our soups can prevent or cure corona. WHO clearly says कि अगर हम कोई भी home remedy follow कर रहे हैं या फिर we are adding pepper or garlic to our soups, actually it is neither going to cure our corona or prevent it. We all have been trying various home remedies these days in order to boost up our immunity, and I have no say in that. But WHO says that adding pepper or garlic is neither going to prevent nor it is going to cure the COVID-19. Myth number 7 is regarding the medicines that we think we should be taking in order to prevent corona. कुछ दिनों से ये देखा गया है कि people without taking the doctor's prescription are actually taking hydrochloroquine or chloroquine because लोगों को ये लगता है कि वो खाने से उनको कोविड नहीं होगा. But according to WHO, when hydrochloroquine or chloroquine was given to patients who have been admitted with COVID-19, it did not reduce the deaths. And people showing mild or moderate symptoms, उन लोगों को भी कुछ benefit नहीं हुआ. So WHO clearly suggests that if you are taking hydrochloroquine or chloroquine without the advice of a doctor, it can lead to serious side effects. Studies even show that hydrochloroquine or chloroquine actually does not have any benefit over COVID-19. So it's better कि अगर हम लोग ऐसा कोई मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं तो we take the prescription or we take the advice of a doctor. Myth number 8: coronavirus is the deadliest virus. अभी सिचुएशन ऐसा बन गया है कि we all believe that corona is a dreadful virus, but if we see statistics, there have been viruses which had much more mortality rate than corona, like Ebola virus. So if we see into the past, we can actually conclude that coronavirus is not one of the deadliest viruses that this world has encountered. So there is nothing to get panic about. And also talking about the panic, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the FDA, and many other food safety experts agree that based on what is currently known about the coronavirus, it is unlikely to spread through consumption of food or food packaging. So thus in the end we can understand that we should stop panicking and create panic among individuals. बहुत सारे myth ऐसे हैं जो कि हमें panic में डाल देता है and which is actually not true. Truly speaking, in our country there are many things which are actually said without any logic.
Corona go!
Corona go!
Go Corona!
Go Corona!
Corona go!
Corona go!
Go Corona!
But we should always check and recheck those facts before we blindly follow that. We are in an age where science is advanced and we all have the right to ask questions and ask for logics in order to explain one's statement. So I think we should all do that. और हम सबको ये भी याद रखना है कि हमें अपने आप को और बाकी सबको कोविड से प्रोटेक्ट भी करना है. And it's very important कि we respect all the COVID-19 workers who have been working day and night. They have been staying away from their own family and have been working so that we can be safe. These are some of the myths that I heard over the past few months. और मुझे ये seriously लगता है कि हम जो भी सुनते हैं उसको verify करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. स्पेशली इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट पैनिक. इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू डील विद द सिचुएशन मैच्योरली, and the fight is actually between us and the disease or the virus, and it's not between us and the patients or the health workers. So we need to respect all the patients and the COVID-19 workers, and we need to make sure that we help them in whatever way we can. But actually talking about cure, the ICMR also mentioned that studies regarding COVID-19 have taken a step ahead, and there has been a rapid progress in the vaccines being created. Also, the first vaccine of COVID-19 which has been created by Russia, the scientists are eyeballing that this vaccine is going to be released by mid-August, and it is probably going to be available to us by September. So that's the end of the video. I hope you all like it, and if you like it, do like, share and subscribe.